shoulder blades a little bit more together. This way the chest opens more, comes more in the front, and so you can breathe deeper because the lungs have more space. That's a very good question. I got that a lot. We never think about the inhale. Why? Because it goes automatically. And start the breath of fire. Very good. Continue. Look to each other. So not like this. You see it? But like this. So if you do like this, you have a what is this in English? Ik denk als een torsie. In the shoulder joints, which is very unhealthy. It was for you a little bit, huh? So it's very difficult. It's like a habit you need to change. But try as much as you can. Spread the fingers. This is a very good warming up exercise. We need to do that heel a little bit further than the hands. Either you stretch your knee or you bend a little bit. Try to flex your front foot. Because if you hang it, your stretch here is less. I don't know if you feel that. If you flex it, you have a bigger stretch. It's also better for the joint, for the knee joint. Exhale, bend. So if you don't sit on your heels while you're bending forward, bring your pillow rather in between. And you cannot come with your buttocks of your pillow. Where you are at this moment. Yes. Bring your right foot in between the hands. Your front knee is bent. Your left leg is straight as possible. Either you bring your knee down and you push yourself up, or you do a high lunge. As you inhale, like this. Try to find your gaze on the floor, somewhere in front of you, for your balance. Breathe. Exhale, lower the arms down, bring the hands to the ground, and then push yourself again up into downward facing dog. And then there is a window in between, like a triangle window. If this is too much, you can also do like this. So one hand goes in the window, the other around, and you strangle your fingers on your kneecap. Only on the exhale, bend the elbows and bring the knee even closer, feeling the stretch, not going over your limits. Very good. This is very good for lower back pain. And then for you, you can lie down or remain lie down. And just forget everything about the whole yoga class. Relaxing. And let it all go. Exercise for that. And then all of you are crossing the feet while you're in this position. Try to not do that anymore. Why are we not crossing the feet? Because you're blocking energy flow. So the feet have to be like this. And then you do. It is like a little child. And then we come up. Exactly. Thank you very much. Namaste. Thank you. Very good, very good.